Are these new Bose earbuds the best earbuds that Bose has ever made? I don't know. But in this video, I'm going to review my time with the Bose QuietComfort 2s. Let's get to it. Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Now, today we are talking about the Bose QuietComfort 2 earbuds. If you guys don't know, they just came out like in September 15th, something like that. So not too long ago. And I've been testing them out for about a week or so now, and I already have what I think about these earbuds. Let's start off with the price. So the price, since they're brand new, is gonna be $300. So if you're looking to get a gift, definitely want to wait until that Christmas season. We don't know what they're gonna do. It's so close, September to, what is it, Black Friday. So you only got like 2 months basically, but hopefully they do drop and then you can get a little discount. If not, hopefully my review makes you feel better about this purchase, so let's keep it rolling. So when it comes to the waterproofness of this, you're looking at IPX4. Basically, you're gonna be good with sweat and then like rain or something. You really don't want these dropping in the water too long, none of that at all. Definitely keep those out of there. But if you're doing a little run in the rain, if you're sweating, you're gonna be fine at the gym. So it is IPX4. It seems like a lot of companies are in that IPX7 or even 67 range. So IPX4, I wish it was a little bit more of that coating technology to keep it from, any water, any dust, or any of that. But, should be taking care of these bad boys for $300 anyway, so you gotta really watch them. So when it comes to the battery life of the Bose QuietComfort 2s, you're gonna be looking at 6 hours off of one charge. So when you pull this out, this will give you 6 hours. If you're playing on full blast and the bass is amazing, we'll get to that. But the bass in these, you're probably gonna be looking at 3.5 hours on full blast. So definitely gotta think about that. But the case is 24 hours in here. If you use your earbuds, you could probably get like 3 charges out of the case. And if you do a fast charge, if you put it in there for 20 minutes, it should give you 2 hours of charge on the earbuds. So that's one good thing. I like to use them in mono, which you can use them in mono one at a time while the other one stays charged. And basically they don't die all day because you always have one that's working. And as you can tell from the design of the original QuietComforts, those were pretty big and bulky. Like those things were like huge, and these ones are not too bad. These are a lot smaller actually. If you guys can see them, they're way smaller. It is a little bit bulkier on the part that's around your ear and in your ear and all that, so you definitely want to find the right tip for your earbud so it'll fit in your ear no problem. You can also change the outside portion of the earbud as well with the wingtip grips, and also that'll help you like keep it stable in your ear from moving from falling out or any of that. All right, bud, so now we're getting to the noise canceling. When it comes to the noise canceling, there's 2 modes for these. There is the quiet mode and the wear mode. And wear mode, aka the transparent mode, the mic's basically take in the outside world and push it through your ears while your earbuds are still in. And of course, quiet, noise canceling kicks in, shuts it down. But just testing them at my job, they seem really good because my job in my office, it gets really loud. And I like to test them out there. I don't know how many people said good morning to me, by the way. I was just facing the case, earbuds on, couldn't hear nothing when it was in quiet mode. And I like to test them out there because it's so loud with metal banging everywhere and people talking and all that stuff. It gives me like, being out in public, being in transportation, or being at the gym. And I feel like if it can block out there, it should be able to block out mostly anywhere with just regular sounds, regular people around. And it did really good. I didn't hear nothing. When I went to a wear mode, I was able to hear a little bit of what's going on. Even with the music on full blast, I would kind of, if someone was to be like, Rodney, like yell really loud, I probably would have heard them or something. But really good. Noise canceling did amazing. Another option you have here is the Bose Music App. Now with the Bose Music App, when you connect these, you will be able to do so many different things with it. You can customize the EQ to what you want. It's something you really should do to get that sound that you want out of the Bose QuietComfort 2s. And then you can customize a little bit of other stuff. Whatever you want to do, just connect it to the Bose app and keep it up to date and everything. And definitely it's a must do. I know a lot of people don't do these things. They use them right out of the box, but getting that perfect sound for yourself is always amazing. Now, these do have 4 mics in them. So there is 4 mics in these, and we did a video on my last one. So we're just gonna pull that in here too, because I made a phone call to my sister and she recorded it, what it sounds like when you call other people. Oh, what's up, buds? Now I'm testing out the Bose QuietComfort 2s. We got B recording me on the screen over there. And so we are just testing it out, seeing the sound quality, what you would get. We tried many different ways to get this sound quality, and we couldn't find the right one. So now we're trying this one out. Hopefully it works. But this is what you're going to hear when well, when the other person that you're calling, this is what they would hear. Now I'm gonna put on a little background noise because it is hot in the studio today. So we're gonna turn on the AC, and then this is basically it. This is the studio. You guys get to see where I operate at right here. This is where we get everything done, and this is the sound quality you'll get when you call someone on these earbuds. And thank you, B, for doing this, and hopefully it works. I see all you guys on the other side. Let's go. Let's get to what you guys been waiting for. Let's talk about the sound quality of the Bose QuietComfort 2s. Do I think these are Bose's best earbuds? They just might be. I honestly think they might be. I think these are amazing. I like the Comfort ones. A lot of people like those, but these are smaller. You know, I like how the wingtips are not so aggressive. They are a little bit bulky on the ear part. Now with the QuietComfort 2s, even though the outside was bulky, the ear part was pretty small, but these are a little bit bulkier. So there might be some ears that might have a problem with that. But when it comes to the sound quality overall, it is up there. It is amazing, dude. I really love the sound quality on these earbuds. They sound so good, but the best part of these are the bass. The bass sounds amazing on these earbuds. These are some of the best bass earbuds I've heard in a while. And we tested a lot of earbuds from different price ranges, and I want to say these are the best. I'm just gonna say it. These are the best bass earbuds I've tested on this channel. I don't think there's anything close. Like right when I heard it, I was like, ooh, ooh. And then I was like, all right. And I've been listening to more different songs, different type of genres. If you like EDM, that thump, that forward stomp, boom, 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 hits so good. The bass and rap songs, all that stuff. It just, oh my gosh, that lower rumble and the bass, they have both of it in these earbuds. I really do like this. And the clarity in the sound, all that sounds good as well. You know, Bose really does that. There's gonna be people that hate Bose and that loves Bose. I don't care. I'm not on either thing. I just know what I heard, and I like the bass on these. And yeah, the clarity and the vocals and the instruments, they sound good as well. And like I said, you can bump them in EQ. One thing, when you use the EQ and you raise the bass up on this, you can definitely hear the difference. There's even more rumble and shake. I just keep it at +2 on everything. I don't go crazy up there, but if you want more bass, it'll do it. It'll kind of drown out the vocals and the instruments a little bit, even when you boost those up. So kind of be careful with boosting up that bass all the way, unless that's how you like your music. I was hyped to talk about the bass. They slap at the bass big time. Big time. Like, they slapped the bass big time on these ones. I was so hyped to talk about it. I was like, I can't wait to do this review because I'm going to tell everyone how amazing the bass is. I know I just went on a whole spiel about it, but if you're another person that likes earbuds and stuff, you know that bass and earbuds is hard to find, and you'll be surprised what you get out of these. They nailed it with these earbuds for sure. I personally think these might be Bose's best earbuds right now, but you know, everyone has their favorites, but there's not too many to choose from either. So, but yeah, so shout out to the Bose QuietComfort 2s. I think they're killing it. I think they're killing it. Alrighty, so if you want to check out some more of the earbuds or check out the old version of these, I'll put it right here. You guys can click that and check out some budget options. We have budget options on this channel as well, a lot of that. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. To all my subscribers now, haven't done this in a while, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. I see all you guys in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.